choices, however you want it. Both ways are good. Welcome to Dragon Eyes Kitchen. Now, if you want to know the recipe that I made yesterday for my leftover food, I will leave the link below. Okay, so you know how to make papas and chorizo with pambazos. Don't forget to subscribe. So today I will be making, recreating my leftover food from yesterday, and I will be making a new version of quesadillas, which is like very similar to flatbread. And it's not meant to be traditional, it's just to kind of cook, re-cook your food in a different way. And if you have flour, then you can make this and recreate your new dish from home. Okay, so let me show you how. Yesterday I made pambazos, and I have leftover chorizo con papas, and I'm going to be reusing my food so that I don't waste the food. Okay, I'm gonna make quesadillas with pambazos and chorizo. This is a cup. Let's see, yeah, this is a cup. Okay, I'm going to be using a cup to mix my ingredients. Now I'm going to add salt. Added my pinch of salt, okay, in here, inside the flour. Okay, so this is pretty much very hot already. I mean, it's like medium high heat. Okay, so just for like simplicity, so you guys can see, I'm gonna be making like flatbread quesadillas with papas y chorizo. Okay, and it's going to be coated with the pambazo sauce from yesterday. And if you have one of these, it'll be very easy to be able to like cut, you know, depending how much you need. Let's just say like this is too big, so I just cut like this much. That's pretty easy. Then I work with this right here. Okay, so, and then you just make these depending on the serving you need. Okay, how many servings you will be feeding them. Okay, again, so you want to, you know, make sure that's in the rolls. Okay, and then you make it flatter as you go. That's how you're gonna get some flakiness. Okay, so you see, this is like our final result right here. Okay, so this is how they turned out. Now I'm going to fry them right here, okay? And then once they're cooked, turn them over and add some chorizo and papas on top of them to coat them, and then you can add the toppings that you want. quesadilla de chorizo con papas. Yeah. What I made today, what I made today is not traditional food. It's just to recreate a different dish so that you don't throw away, you know, your chorizo and papas. Let's just say that you just wanna, or you don't have any more, like let's say bolillo, right? And then let's say you have flour at the house, then you can just recreate something from what you have in your pantry. Okay, so that way you don't throw away your food. So it's not meant to be a traditional food. It's just to recreate something that you already have in your pantry, so you can reheat your food from yesterday and you don't throw it away. There's more choices, however you want it. Both ways are very delicious. And don't forget to subscribe.